What's going on, guys? Disorderly Product News. We're going to the East Coast today with it, with my main man, NC Street News. He has a fantastic channel, and NC Street News' channel will be in the link and the description. Beat me there, don't meet me there. He has a fantastic channel. He's joined by friend of the program, NC Tyrant Hunter. His link will also be in the description. Now, the man in the middle right there in the green, to say he's a little bit over his head is giving him a little bit too much credit. He masks his inadequacies with anger. So, it's safe to say he's angry all the time. So, like I said before, beat me there. Don't meet me there. Link will be in the comment section and in the description. But I can show you better than I can tell you. So, let's watch.
So these guys called the cops because we were out here filming the tanks and stuff, I guess, so I don't know. So now we have this guy.
Back off the property. You're on private property. Get in the street.
In their vehicle. Is that their black truck down there too?
This isn't private
This
property.
ain't private.
Get off the property.
This ain't private,
It's not
sir.
private property,
I
sir.
got this GIS
You want to
survey.
go to jail?
No, sir.
You want to go to jail?
This is public.
Get off
This is
the-
public
get off the
easement, sir.
property.
This is public,
Get on
man.
the-
Sir, this is, we can't stand in the street,
I
sir.
got a map that tells me this is
You heard what I said.
all the way to the door.
Don't get any closer to the building.
And what's
Sir,
gonna happen?
this is public
What's
easement,
gonna
sir.
happen, Tyrant? Huh?
So we got
He's flip-flopping now. First it was get off the property. Then when they didn't, it was don't get any closer to the building. So he's kind of just making it up as he goes along, it seems.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
I already told him what my name is.
I'm asking you, sir. You didn't tell me, sir.
You can't get us for nothing because we ain't on private
Excuse me, can I please have your name and badge number?
Hey, nobody's playing.
Sir, can I have your name and badge number? You have a gun. You're giving me directives. Can I please have your name,
Get
sir?
the truck off the property, too.
Can I please have your name?
It's on public property. We got a tyrant on our hands, guys.
Name and badge number, sir. Sir, why are you refusing to identify?
Playing games. Said we playing games.
Kinley, North Carolina. Gang tattoo.
Yeah, he said we're playing that game.
Gang tattoo.
At a wind and it's August 12th, 2021, August 29.
He said we playing games. today?
Hey, I need your name, man.
I got it if you don't want to give it to you. That way we can file a complaint.
Definitely.
Now he's gonna try to get my truck towed.
Name.
Probably go back over there. I'm not chasing it.
This guy's an old tyrant here, guys. Old case of bacon that should have been thrown out years ago. Years ago. Down in this small town, nothing but tyrannical behavior. All I did was ask for a name. Telling us we gotta stand in the street. What is it? It's called? Your car is private property? Your car is private property?
It's damn sure is. It's mine.
No, it's not.
Everything that's in it's mine.
No, it's not.
Everything that's in it belongs
No.
to me. Yes, it does.
I need your name.
I done told him my name.
I need your name.
I done told him.
I need your
I done
name.
told him my name.
Yeah,
You
I
stay out
need-
of my car.
I need your
You
name.
stay out of my car.
I need your name.
I'm conducting an investigation.
Here's the deal. I'm conducting an investigation
conducting
into
an
corrupt
investigation into
government
crime.
officials in Kinley. Do you understand that?
I'm
We're conducting an investigation.
into a crime.
Here's
You're
the deal.
committing a crime right
Here's
now.
the deal. You're committing a crime by not identifying. You're committing a crime by not identifying. And you're being disorderly.
Stay out of this car.
You're being disorderly.
You're being disorderly.
I only asked you for your name and badge number, sir. That's all I asked. You got out of the car giving me directives for no reason. Telling me I gotta stand in the street. What law enforcement officer tells a citizen they have to stand in the street,
You
sir?
got to stay off of private property.
It's not private, it's a public easement, sir.
They don't want you on it.
It doesn't matter what they want.
Yes, it does.
The law says
It's
I can
called
be here.
trespassing. When they tell
It's
you to
not
leave,
trespassing.
When they tell
It
you
is
to
not
leave,
trespassing.
when they
Back
tell
up.
you
Give
to
me
leave,
6 feet. You do not have a
when
mask
they
on.
tell you to leave,
Please
and
back
you
up,
don't
sir.
leave, it's trespassing.
6 feet. I'm gonna take a step back.
Sir, it is if we own the property.
You're a super spreader right
We're on
now.
their property.
No, we're not. I got a
Sure.
map that says
Look at
we're
this
not.
face right
on
here.
their parking
Look at
lot.
this face,
No,
guys.
sir. I can go all the way up to the door.
No, you can't.
Yes, we.
Just because they
You
paid
will
it
not.
don't mean it's
What
legal.
is your
You'll go to
name?
jail.
You hear what I said?
L. Holland?
You'll go to jail.
Okay.
Is Jay Holland
You
your
falsely
son?
arrested me there.
Is Jay Holland your
I'll
son?
falsely arrest you then.
Because it don't
L.
it goes
Holland,
all the way
huh?
to the door. The property goes all the way
L.
to the door.
L.
I already
Holland.
looked at it, sir. I do my research.
Holy cow, man. Years of tyranny, huh?
I do my
Woo-wee.
research, sir. I don't trespass.
We have definitely found an expired case of bacon that should have been thrown out years
And I'm
ago.
on public property with my truck, too.
Unbelievable.
I already looked at it. Looked on the map.
Is this the chief? It's with the gang tattoos. What's going on here in Kinley, man? I think we found the right place. Oh yeah. The-
It's in the police department. Y'all make some phone calls.
Hey Holland, you're dismissed, man. Get out of here. Hey Holland, get out of here. Get out of here. L. Holland, get out of here. We'll be down to file a complaint in a little bit, man.
Yeah, he's gonna stick around.
Tyrant.
You probably call it record. Y'all call the police department, guys. Right here.
Well, there you go, guys. This L. Holland reminds me of one of those officers that says, regardless of what I say, whether it's legal, illegal, whether it's in our code of conduct, because I said it and I'm a police officer, you do it, bottom line, which doesn't really work on all people, but it works on enough people that he has the confidence to keep on saying it. Now, let's look at the description in the original video to get more context. Now, this comes from NC Street News' description in the original video. That link will be in the description and in the comment section. I'm telling you, he has a great channel. Go over there and subscribe. Tell him Disorderly Product News sent you. What's going on NC Street News' team? Back at it in Kenly, North Carolina, this tyrant, L. Holland, was an absolute piece of trash. The epitome of an old expired case of bacon that should have been thrown out years ago. I'm not certain, but I did a video about 10 days ago, and an officer, J. Holland, was a superstar of that episode. Now, this week, we have L. Holland. Wonder if there's any relation. So, that gives you a little bit more context, guys. That was in North Carolina, Kenly, North Carolina. He's doing a fantastic job. He keeps on coming out with videos, so you'll have content to watch. Going over there, subscribe, tell them Disorderly Product News sent you. My name is Disorderly Product News, wishing you and yours a very safe and happy rest of the work week coming up on the weekend. And you know what comes next. Good night.